Girl, I know everybody was talking about Miss Danessa Myricks' brand new Yummy Skin Tint. Everybody except me. But today we are going to be talking about Miss Danessa Myricks' Beauty Yummy Skin Tint. I want to show you some swatches. I want to show you how I want to use it. So if you want to see me swatch and use these products, then keep on watching. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. Okay, guys, I am going to do a specific review of a specific Miss Danessa Myricks product. This is the Miss Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint, okay? It comes in 20 shades. It's full of collagen and ceramides that help smooth and hydrate your skin. And it also has color correcting properties, okay? The thing that really got me into actually wanting to try this product is the fact that it was tested on women between 47 and 65, and they absolutely loved it. These are the 3 deepest shades that we have. These were sent over to us by Miss Danessa Myricks Beauty. Thank you so much. I definitely want to try this out and see what it can do for us, okay? This product is a sheer coverage product. This is the packaging. Of course, when you buy it, it's gonna look like so. Yummy Skin Tint, Miss Danessa Myricks. The actual product in the packaging looks like so. It's so sleek. I love her packaging. I love the brown and the copper mix in there. It's like so classic. I just love it. We have the 2 deepest shades, so I don't have the shade 14. So I'm always so inclined to twist. Oh, it is a twist. Okay. I always have to pull first because I generally, initially, always just twist my complexion products. And sometimes I miss when they're supposed to have like pumps and things like that, which is really not a good thing. Okay. So I'm starting to pull first before twisting to just make my life easier. Okay. Let's go ahead and swatch it. This is the shade number 16. 16 looks like it is a perfect match for me, but I was expecting it to be deeper though. Like, to be honest, I was expecting 16 to be a lot deeper than it looks like on my skin right now. Let me double check, because I literally just looked this up and I thought we had the 3 deepest shades, but I don't think this is the deepest. This is the deepest shade. Okay. So 16 is the deepest shade, and it is deep with neutral undertones. I really do wish it was deeper so that somebody who is deeper than me could use this. But if you are my skin tone, 16 is looking like it's going to be a good shade for us to use because it's really blended into my skin. It's a neutral undertone. So, you know, we'll see. Let's see what 15 has to offer. This is the shade 15. And 15 is definitely lighter than my skin tone. So 15 is not that girl for us, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. The coverage on it though is looking sheer, but it's also covering up my burn mark like really nicely. It has beautiful pigments in it, and it's blending into my skin very, very nicely. Yeah, shade 16 is definitely my shade. It's completely disappeared on me, and I really like what it's looking like right now. But this is the base that we got. I did underpainting with the Miss Danessa Myricks Vision Cover Cream. I use her purple blush. I used the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Espresso, the deepest one, and I blended everything in, and I've only just set the concealed areas of my face, the parts where I put concealer. I feel like if you're somebody who feels as if you need to have more coverage from your sheer, or if you feel like you can't use a light coverage complexion product because you feel like you have too many imperfections that come through, I would highly suggest that you underpaint, cover up anything you need to cover up before you go in with your sheer products. That way, the sheer products can help you, help blend in your underpainting without it being the only source of color correcting that you have on your face, or color correction that you have on your face, okay? I will be using the shade number 16 in the Yummy Skin Tint. I really want to shake it well before I put it on, so Lord. Okay, I feel like I've sufficiently shook it. Shook it. Okay, I will put some on the back of my hand. I don't know how much I need. I probably don't even need that much. Now I'm gonna wipe the tip off before I cover it because I don't want to make a mess in this product. Okay, this is it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna just cover my brush with it. And this is the Miss Danessa Myricks Yummy Face Brush 01. I'm literally blending this product in on the back of my hand and it looks so good. And we would use, I was talking and didn't realize my recording limit had reached, but this is the blend that I did on the skin, okay? It looks good. I didn't have to do too much and I still have some of that foundation left on the back of my hand. I feel like I may have just wiped it on my shirt, but there's still quite a bit of it left. I didn't need to do too much to get it to blend into the skin. It gave me the look as if the foundation is a full coverage foundation, or at least a medium coverage foundation, okay? This is supposed to be a sheer coverage skin tint. Not even foundation, skin tint, okay? So it's like you can use skin tint if your complexion is not perfect and you don't like what it looks like. You can use skin tint. All you have to literally do is put your concealers and everything down first before you go in with your skin tint. That way it gives you a gorgeous looking tone. It's really not giving me skin tint vibes. It's giving me foundation vibes. I don't know how else to explain it. Because we did all the color correcting and everything before we put this down, it's given us more coverage than it initially promised or than we initially thought it would. And I absolutely just love what it looks like right now, okay? Okay, I'm taking my setting powder again. This is the Givenchy Prism Leap setting powder. And we're just gonna set all over again. I want to mattify this radiance down a bit because this foundation is a hydrating skin tint. I keep saying foundation because of the kind of coverage I got from it. It is a foundation in my book, okay? But if you have oily skin like me and you want to mattify it down, you can see that my dark spots, my dark acne spots are still coming through, but it's not like too apparent. So yes, it is still a very light coverage skin serum or skin tint, but because of how we put it on, it's not looking too light coverage, you know? The base is basing. Let me go ahead and finish everything and I'll come back so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is my finished look trying out the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint. This is supposed to be a sheer coverage product and this is what it looks like on my skin, honey. Listen, you don't need a full coverage product to get a full coverage look. You just need to be able to layer everything properly before you put the skin tint on top of it, and that will give you a gorgeous looking base, okay? It still shows some imperfections, yes, but your base is gonna look so covered, it's gonna look so good. People are gonna think you actually use a full coverage product, and all I used was this sheer coverage skin tint, okay? Like, would you try your sheer skin tint, or would you try any skin tint in the way that I showed you how to use it today to get like a gorgeous base? Or would you just keep slathering it all over your face and just saying, oh, this is not enough coverage, I'm not gonna use it? I have come to believe that skin tints are the perfect base to use when you underpaint. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about the coverage, the look, and if you want to see how I achieve this full look, definitely check down below for the video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Definitely turn on your YouTube app notifications to get notified when I upload a video. Also share this video with your friends, your mamas, everybody, because it helps my channel out a lot and I know you want to help me out, right? If you have a shade in the skin tint, let me know your shade. If not, would you be thinking about picking it up? Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.